Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing lowercase h from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a long vertical line on the left here. Then from the top, let's draw 3 bumps over to the right. And then 3 bumps on the bottom, getting longer as we go over. Now from the top, let's bring the line down, stopping here. And the same thing at the bottom. Now underneath the top line, let's draw a curve over to the right and down. And from the bottom line, let's follow that same curve over and down like this. And then let's close off the bottom with 3 bumps. And that's it for the shape of the letter H. Next, let's move in and draw the mouth. Let's move inside in the center here, and let's draw a curve across. And then another one underneath. And then let's connect the sides. Next, inside, let's add 2 diagonal lines. And then let's color both outsides in black. Next, let's move over and draw the eyes. Let's draw a rounded square shape on the left here. And then the same thing on the right side. And now let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a long, rounded rectangle shape. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the letter H. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!